Hey, what is up, Group Breakers? We're in our third box of our 3. This is hopefully a good one. The other 2 weren't the best, but everything we got is for sale for trade. Let us know if you want anything. This is a box of Bowman Draft. I'm RBI, and this is now you guys should know who we are. We're getting out there. We're over 100 subs today, thanks to our buddy, the
Cardboard Kid.
That's right, the Cardboard Kid. We want to thank you one last time, buddy. Awesome what you did. Check out this contest for both of us. Giving away some good prizes. We're going to do a 200 sub contest, but enough talking. Come on, let's get some mojo here. So, any of you guys want to give us some mojo here, we'll take it. Let's do the Bowman Draft. We're going to lower this down one last time.
Oh, there he goes. Running through.
Alright. I'll touch first this time. Go first. Try to put them back in a pack. I mean, you don't have to, but that way you ain't gonna trash. I'm just saying. Alright, here we go. And nothing.
Take a little
lot
deep.
of nothing.
See what we get. Alright. Jaime Garcia. And that was about it. Oh. Sorry, guys. Ike Davis. Ouch.
Is he good?
I really don't know. Not the guy I was hoping for, so.
Okay, well, let's hope for an Affleck, or let's hope for a nice parallel here. So,
please don't. We want people to subscribe, not run away.
I like this song.
There we go.
There you
PC guy right there. Ryan Anderson.
Alright guys, when the other guy's pulled, I want to see some nice parallel in here. This is a rough day. Okay, this turns out to be like my other box that I got. I'm going to be beat off.
Yeah, you don't want him beat off.
My other box had no chrome. Oh my god. Ooh. Come on guys, I'm not having any fun here. Please don't think our breaks are like this, trust it or not. Just not a good day. It all flipped upside each way. I'm not too happy.
I'll take this one. See? A little mojo around there.
Gosh. Coming from the lips of an angel. That would have been, keep going. That would have been a good one to get. If it was a chrome parallel or something for solo.
Well, that mojo didn't work. And don't show Army ATC that one. He's not too happy with that guy.
Let's see here. I'm not having fun today. Yeah. This is brutal.
Alright, hopefully. Oh, God. Can't keep that guy out of anything.
Something.
Kevin, I'm not even going to try the last name, guys.
Go ahead.
Number to 399.
Shouldn't even have got out of bed today. See something.
Yeah,
See,
you
there's
saw
not even
nothing.
a gold rookie in here. This is the second box I've seen.
If one of my guys that's in my PC wasn't in here, I don't know how much of this I'd be buying. Nothing.
This is terrible. I wouldn't watch any of our box break videos today if I were you guys. There's a something shiny. Oh, Trey Watt refractor. Ooh. Hitting home, baby, hitting home.
Wow. Sums it up pretty well right there, guys.
Good Lord. Okay, so if you ever have one of those box breaking days where everything you touch is complete dog crap, this is one of them.
Both of us. I usually have pretty good luck with
Yeah.
this. But
Something shiny.
I got a refractor, but we will see. Zeke's Burl. There we go, he Braves guys. Might know who that is.
Okay, I'm gonna take myself out back and shoot myself. Whew. This is not fun. There is not any draft pick phones in here. I'm not even joking. We have not got a single one besides our autograph. Yeah.
I'm speechless, guys. I don't know what to say.
I don't even want to show you the box anymore. I'm just gonna open up here. Maybe it breaks a different one. This is ugly. Next fractor. Evan Doubler. 8th round pick. Good stats though. X fractor. Oh, now he's bringing it in.
A little die mojo, maybe. See if that helps anything.
Good boy.
Oh, there we go. Stavanoa.
Jay Bruce.
That's a Joey Votto.
There has not been one draft pick chrome rookie in here besides your friend. This does not make me happy. I did 6 boxes in this one, 6 cases in this one. Loved it. Come on, guys. Go home, guys. Nothing. Nothing.
Last 3.
Oh my God.
Oh boy. Okay.
We got rid of this 2 minutes too, so let's just do this.
I think we get our 2 packs in 2 minutes. Have some time to start crying too.
Sorry.
Nice pack, guys. Let's hope for a little something. Little something. Open them up this way for you guys. Now you see what we were dealing with? There you go.
I feel like I just got robbed. Oh my gosh.
Can we go after our money back?
Yeah. I take $10. Yeah, gosh. So that was our box break day. Whew. Wow. Thanks again, Cardboard Kid. At least something good came out of this day. I gotta go to work now. I don't even want to think anymore.
It's my day off, finally.
Wow. Not fun, but hey, join our group or something not like that. I guarantee it. We do
Have something a little bit better.
yeah, that was pretty rough, but thanks again, guys. To everybody who subscribed to us, continue to subscribe.
Thank you, Joseph Badai.
Joseph Badai one more time. No mojo from him today. But again, guys, thanks again, Cardboard Kid. Subscribe to us. Continue to stay up on us. We got 2 breaks going on right now. We do this real fast, lightning jet flash. We got 4 boxes of 2008 Downers Threads baseball. $10 a spot. Buy 3 or more spots, only $9 a spot. Okay, we got 3 box break, $13 or 2 for $25. 3 boxes, 2007 Bowman's Best Baseball, 9 autographs, and 2 boxes of 2007 SB Authentic Baseball, 2 limited patch autographs in it, 4 total, 13 autographs, $13, 2 for $25.
Got that tagline? Let's break it, guys.